A lot of short sales closed, so we're going on that.
Oh, wow.
Wow. This is nice.
This is beautiful.
This is nicer than the other two. This
Yeah.
is definitely nicer.
Do you like this, Bill?
I don't care for it.
Can it come down?
I'm sure it could come down.
That'd be okay too, because I'm not in love with it. Wow. Oh, what a great kitchen.
Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty.
This is obviously being remodeled.
Very pretty.
Stainless steel appliances.
But you can tell a bachelor lives here, though.
You know, it may not be something that I would have selected, but I could certainly live with this. This is very nice. It's kind of small.
It's very small.
You also have a door in the backyard.
In a
which is
bedroom?
nice to have.
In the bedroom.
Oh, maybe you'll call this the desk. Okay. This is big.
Meg likes the size of the yard, but would want to have it fenced in, which would be a significant expense.
So here's your full bath. You know, I like the pedestal sink.
Very modern.
What is with the paper towel roller in the bathroom?
Come to me. Hey, here's the master bedroom. Right down the hall.
This is a good size. Yeah, light fixture's a little different.
It's very modern. Everything in here is modern.
Hey Dada, could you hold this there for a
Because it's more
second?
modern. It's
I'm gonna get this hand thing.
Okay.
Just hold that there, and I'm gonna put this all over
You know what I do? Think about
Part
that.
1's 10 minutes.
The windows?
This is the only one that's had any kind of an update with the windows, and that's a big expense.
It is.
Yeah.
Today, having Julie on the tour was a little bit helpful because she
You're
had
gonna hold
a few
that
more
there
pros
while I
on how
hook in the
to
tripod.
There's no projects in here, maybe because we want to paint,
Yeah.
but there's no repairs.
I can tell you like this house.
I do. I'm surprisingly.
It's surprising.
It's more modern than I would have pictured me in.
Okay. Now, can you find a place to put the tripod?
We need a
It could delay.
chair.
Getting your hopes up, and then you know something else could be coming out there while you're waiting for this to go through.
I'd be stuck waiting.
You would be stuck waiting.
You have to hang and wait.
Coming up,
You ready?
Let's narrow this down.
Let's go.
Will this work?
In front of them.
Specs and
just
stuff
how much
on
work
it.
is Meg willing to take on?
Okay.
It was on the Line Street.
Can we see it?
I'm so excited. As soon as you hear it,
Just gotta tip this up a bit. We need a little bit more.